Welcome back, students. Let us continue our lesson number 6, getting to know the place we live in. You have seen how towns and villages get their names. We will see one more village how got its name. We will see how Khed village was renamed by Rajguru Nagar. It is in Pune district. The Indian people were ruled by the British government since 18th century. India's struggle for freedom was going on. There were three famous revolutionaries, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev. We will see about Rajguru. He was born in Khed in Pune district. After elementary education, he moved to Amravati. There, at Hanuman Vyayam Shala, he took up the cause of patriotism. Patriotism means the love for our country. At the age of 15 years, he went to Banaras to study the Sanskrit language. He knew several languages such as Marathi, Hindi, English, Sanskrit, and Urdu. Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev were his close friends. Later, he took part in revolutionary activities and became a martyr for the country. In his memory, Khed, his birthplace, has been renamed Rajguru Nagar. His full name was Shivram Hari Rajguru. Now, people in villages are dependent on weekly market for their daily needs. These markets sell an essential items, mainly food grains, vegetables, farming implements, clothes, etc. The market is also the place where people can meet one another and inquire about each other's well-being. Jejuri in Pune district and Madi in Ahmednagar district are famous for their donkey markets. Places comes to be known for reasons such as this also. Sant Gadge Maharaj's real name was Debuji Jhingraji Zanorkar. He belonged to Shendgaon in Daryapur Taluka of Amravati district. Sant Gadge Baba raised social awareness through kirtans. He is known as one of the greatest saints of 20th century. His village will forever be remembered for his work in the service of people. Now children, do you know 18th April is World Heritage Day? What is the meaning of heritage? Heritage means the traditions, qualities, monuments, historical buildings that were created in past and still have historical importance for our country is called as heritage. When we visit such historical monuments, we should not destroy them or make them dirty by throwing rubbish here and there or by writing anything on it. These buildings are pride to our nation. We have seen how many villages and towns got their name. Raigad district, Ashti Dhotar Zodechi, Talegaon. Like that, our town or city is also named because of some or other reason. You may find out that.